Today is a very special day because everyone wants to contribute something for Bharat, right? Right? Everyone wants to do something on their behalf, right? So very few will reach to that level where something they contribute, and that will be a big thing for the whole country. So today is such day. Since last month we are in this Olympics fever. Yes. How many medals we have received? 6 or 7? 7. So seventh one, little one maybe brought. So that's why 7. So we have seen the strength of Indians. We have seen the itne millions, billions of humanity in India, and how many reach to that level. तो ज़रूर सभी के लिए एक बार तो who brought Indian flag on high and who brought laurels to India. So today we have two such jewels amongst us, who is none other than हमारे बहुत प्यारे, बहुत आदरणीय रमेश नागपुरी भाई जी, who is the coach of Deepti Jiwanji. So I request Ramesh Bhai ji, who is National Chief Coach of Junior Athletics, as well as he is Dronacharya awardee, who has taken Sunday evening talk also earlier, how to have success in our own lives. That was the topic of him, success mantras. So what he is practicing in his own field, and he has given so many tips how we can achieve success in our life also. So such a special personality, and who is very sweet brother amongst us. And again we have Deepti Jiwanji, who is the bronze medal winner of Paralympics 2024 amongst us. Deepti. Very good. So Kuldeep Didi also will be joining shortly. So before that, I would request Ramesh Bhaiji, who is very good friend of Brahma Kumaris and who takes lot of benefit in Shanti Sarovar. On and off regularly he visits here, and even Sunday evening talks also. Very quietly he comes and sits at the back, listen how much ever time he can, and then he leaves. And many times he comes for walking in Shanti Sarovar, enjoying this premises and the powerful vibrations here, and he very silently leaves. So such very sweet brother we have today, Ramesh Nagapuri Garu. Please, I request you onto the stage to share few experiences, especially on this Paralympics trip, which you went there, and your jewel is here for everyone. So I request you, Ramesh Bhai, to share your experiences briefly.
Very good evening. Om Shanti. So, Sister Vasanta Garu said, what she said is correct. I do come here to have a lot of positive vibrations, because this is a para Olympics is something different, because there are the 3 categories in para. One is physically challenged, then mentally challenged, visually challenged. So you have a different categories. Actually, what made us to take up, because we used to train regular able children, but one incident made me and Gopi Chen to take care of para. One of the girl, I don't want to tell her name, she was working for software, she met with accident. Then she lost leg from here, and somebody guided her to go and play some game. Game also I don't want to mention. So she started playing. After some time, somebody came in search of her by telling her name. So suddenly one of the boy told, "Oh यार वो लंगड़ी है ना, जिसको पैर नहीं है उसको ढूंढते हुए आए." This was the comment. Over a period of time, 2-3 years, she became a world champion. Then press people, same situation came. They came in search of her. फिर some of the boy or girl was comment is that, oh यार वो world champion है ना, उनको ढूंढते हुए आए हैं. So the sport changes the identity. So that made, even I'm black, kala हूँ. This is not my fault. If somebody every time it's selling kalu kalu, somewhere it hurts me. So from there onwards, we realized, yes, जैसा विश्व यूनिवर्सल लव है ना, वैसा ही खेल भी एक यूनिवर्सल है. So along with the regular, we started focusing on para also. Then come back to the Deepti's case. I found her, she is from remote village Kalleda, Warangal district. Her parents are just agriculture daily wage workers. So she was working in RDF, Rural Development Foundation School, where there is no much fees and run by Ram Mohan Garu. So I saw her in Khammam, there was a state level championship. So her PT found her at early stages and he was training her. So in Khammam, there was a state level championship. Then I could find her. And I told their parents, drop her in Hyderabad. We have a Sports Authority of India hostel at Gachibowli Stadium. Then they said, we can't afford to travel to Hyderabad. Then I told, okay, you get her into the bus. Then we started tracking conductor where they reached from Warangal, Jangaon, Aler, like that. And one of my assistant coach, Sridhar, went and picked up her in Miliband bus stand. So that's how we made her join in Sports Authority of India hostel in Gachibowli Stadium. After some time, we found she was not responding as normal children. Whether we talk or whether exercise is very limited. Then we found something is wrong. Then Gopichand and we all worked together. So Gopichand said, now why don't you test her? Because her qualities are not like normal children. So we approached National Institute of Mentally Retarded here in Boinpalli. So they have tested 3 days and they have given the report her IQ level is very less. So then in para there is a category called T20 where comes IQ level less. So for that, with that documents, we have a national participation at Bhubaneswar. She went there and she participated, she came first. Then later on, if you wanted to participate at international, you need 2 international classifications. Then only you are eligible to participate in international competitions. So there again challenge, Indian Para-Olympic Committee said they can't provide any funding. So that is, and that classification also, selected tournaments will be there. There only they do the classification, means international doctors will be there. So one competition was there in Morocco. So there we have to pull the funding there, Gopichand, Maitra, and some Srinivas Garu, because 3-4 lakhs and moreover that, one coach has to travel with her because she can't take care of her own things. So somehow so many sponsors and all like that, they came and she went to Morocco. There they classified, yes, she's T20 category. Then there also she got a place there. Then second competition was in Australia. So again, the challenge is funding and all. So again, Ram Mohan Garu, like that, many, because one cannot afford so much of money. And in at times, we used to feel, because sometimes some sort 10,000, 20,000 also we used to bear. So Australia also she went, there also she got a second place and she got international classification. So 2 classifications over, she eligible for Asian Games. So in 2000, last year, she got a gold with new record in Asian Games. Then recently, in the May, World Championship happened in Japan. She broke the world record and got a gold. And recently, Para Olympics, she got a first Indian girl in that category to get the medal in bronze. So this is about her brief history, how we started and all. And in between, because always, before also I shared, whoever, because our own children, right? Because they are not their fault, right? And one more thing I want to say is that anybody's shortcomings only you can make as strong points of their careers. That's what I did in her career. Her mother said when she fell down when she was a small kid from the house, she was not telling anything. it doesn't mean she was not feeling pain, but she doesn't know how to express the pain. So that was her quality. When then she said, okay, let me use that quality only strong for the sport. Because ordinary children, if they do training, after 2-3 repetitions, then they come and say, I'm tired, I'm my painy. But she doesn't say anything. It is we have to stop, okay, enough. Okay? So that if any your children has got some shortcomings, that shortcomings only you can make use of strong. And she's not like any other ordinary children that she go outside shopping and all. And for 2016 she has come, and that is only the sport is required. No, she doesn't go outside, hardly she go home, she hardly ask anything. So only training, what we say, eat, sleep. And that is what made her today Olympic medalist. If ordinary children, they have a lot of obligations, they want to go home, they wanted to go out, they want to go for shopping, these are all not there.
Lot of distraction is there.
Yeah, so I learned from her. And as Girish Bhai said, acceptance theory, because really in Olympics, we were having chance of gold, right? But you believe it or not, until she wins, we don't have any guarantee, because you can't tell her, run this. You can't plan for her. Like a small kid, okay, you just go and do. If you do tell more, she will get confused. So when she got a bronze, I said, thank God, we accept whatever prasad you have given. Right. So this is what about her journey. And most happiest thing happened is that for her treatment, her parents, half acre land was there. So 5-6 years back, they sold it up. So they became a daily wage workers. The Asian Games, when she got a gold, so central government has given a cash incentive. So out of some money she has given back. So they buy same half acre land, and now they are cultivating. So, and one more great experience is why I'm telling all those things. Please do treat them as equal, because their parents came to city in one of the sports function. Their father and mother, literally they fell on my feet and Gopi Chand, and they were crying. I said, why you are crying? She said, sir, early stages, everybody, including neighbors, relatives, everybody used to say, she's a mad girl, how you take care of her? Why don't you train her? And some ashram or like that, hospitals. That was means every day we used to, we are afraid when we get up, what type of taunt we are going to get. But now, because of her international medal and papers and all, now corporator to MLA and MRO to collector, everybody congratulates us. So that's what change you brought in our life. That's why. So what my appeal to, after that, so many parents are like, these kids, Down syndrome kids are there. So I felt, and here I never say that we have done a great job, because I always say, as Girish Bhai said, we are so happy, and my team, because physios, assistant coaches, and Sports Authority of India, Sports Authority of Telangana, who are all part of her, the beautiful role has given to us by God and Deepthi. That's why we could fulfill this role. That's all credit goes to her, because for past, from 2016 onwards, she's working very hard, and that's it. So always feel that we are doing our role. That's all, and we are fortunate that we got a role. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Yeah, that talent what sister says, no. She was running in the school day, 26 January and all. So there her PT, Venkateshwar sir, found her, and he was training her. So then from there, I have seen, because small competitions we go and see, because I have experience. So by seeing their body language and the strongness, the run, by seeing that only I identified, and I said how we brought into the system. So this is what means, whatever profession you have, so you should have always out-of-box thinking, because, and some of the times in the schemes, because of her shortcomings, the system said, how can we keep her? So that was a big challenge, suddenly where to take out. So I don't want to tell the challenges, but somehow we have taken out her and put her into the Gopichand Academy to stay everything comfort. And she can't gel along with all others because you know her limitations. So there are the kids who likes her, one Shirisha, some of the girls. So we kept with her, and then they will take care of her. Means like a small kid, you have to take care of her for all those. But today she made our country proud. Even recently, Delhi, Narendra Modi ji asked her, how you felt? So in Hindi he asked, she said, I'm happy. Then some more things he asked, but she can't understand. She said, मुझे हिंदी ज़्यादा नहीं आता. She said, कोई बात नहीं. So today, so that's what about a brief. And Brahma Kumari has got I got a lot of impact on this because I've been watching Girish Bhai, Vasanta Bhan, Ravi ji. Just 15-20 years back, I've been introduced to Brahma Kumaris. I've been seeing their efforts, right? They don't see any end product for them. See, उनको क्या आता है? But उनके efforts में 1% less also I have not seen. चलो अपने अपने लिए बिजनेस करते हैं, प्रॉफिट के लिए करते हैं, नौकरी करते हैं, लेकिन इनको क्या मिलता है? कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. लेकिन द इंटेंसिटी एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी आई हैव सीन इन देम. जब ये लोग कर सकते हैं तो फिर हम भी अपने प्रोफेशन में कर सकते हैं. तो प्लीज़ गो बैक टू योर ओन प्रोफेशंस, डू आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग and do what you best you can do, right? So just giving back, it will come back. And I'm sure if you have a control mind and meditation, and see sometimes she goes competition, I won't be there. But mentally we have a connect. Yes, she will do better. She will do better. Definitely she will do better. So we have only just positive vibrations and you connect with mind. So that is the power of meditation. So the virus is negative, jealous, just leave it. हमने अभी first Ukraine girl came first and Turkey girl second, and हमने ये feel नहीं किया ना, we appreciated them because हमारे से ज़्यादा मेहनत किया होगा वो लोग. And this day belongs to them, right? So there are the children, fourth जिसको आता है उसको कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है, वो भी तो मेहनत की है ना. So in this world, everybody is a God child because let us do our own job and whatever you get, just go on. And your day also will come. Even doesn't come, okay. Happy about the process. अभी मैं वही बोलता हूँ, अभी पोडियम पे हम लोग last 2016 से मेहनत कर रहे हैं, morning, evening, 2.5 hours, right? But when you win the medal, 2016-2024 means almost 7 years. This is a process. But when you win the medal, you are hardly 15 seconds or 20 seconds on the podium. So always enjoy the process, not the end product. So life also same. If you enjoy every day process, end product बहुत कम होता है ना. Victory stand, you can't stay hour, 1 hour. आपने 7 years मेहनत किया है. Victory stand पे घंटा तो 1 hour खड़ा नहीं करेगा ना कोई भी. खड़ा करेगा क्या? नहीं. Few seconds for but that process, so which is longer? The process is longer, so you have to enjoy that process. And कहीं भी करते उनसे सीखना है. कभी कभी ऐसे मैं ऑर्डर तो मैं कभी कभी सोचता ना, हमें कभी कभी आता ना ह्यूमन बीइंग में हमें क्या मिल रहा है, लेकिन ऐसे टाइम में मैं उनको देखता हूँ ना, उनको क्या है, शी डजंट नो एनीथिंग, जस्ट गो ट्रेन, कंपटीशन करना होता है. कंपटीशन के बाद में क्या पैसा क्या करेगा वो, शी डजंट नो व्हाट इज लाइमलाइट इवन. सो उनके लिए ऐसे लोग साथ में जब रहते हैं, ये लोग जो, दैट्स व्हाई एटमॉस्फेयर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ऑलवेज क्रिएट योर ओन एटमॉस्फेयर, पॉजिटिव, गुड थिंकिंग, डेफिनेटली गुड थिंग्स विल हैपन. सो टुडे संदीप दीदी इनके साथ में तो यहाँ इसलिए आता हूँ कि बहुत पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस आते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो कम एंड एंजॉय बिकॉज nowadays we know that lot of rat race and health, माइंड, बहुत कुछ है. अगर हम लोग पीसफुल नहीं रहते तो अपने बच्चे, देन सोसाइटी, सो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज़. सो ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस टू लिव इन. सो लेट अस मेक मोर ब्यूटीफुल दिस वर्ल्ड, स्पेशली इंडिया. It's a spiritual place because all big gurus born here. And we are so lucky in Hyderabad that we have a Brahma Kumari center. कभी भी आके आराम से 24/7, anytime you can come and meditate at free cost, right? So, thank you, Didis and brothers here. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, Ramesh Bhai. Such a beautiful message he has given. Yes? So, what we have to enjoy? The process. Though it is longer, but that one must enjoy. Then the podium is always there. Right? तो बहुत अच्छा आपने you have given the brief about Deepti also. Actually, there are 3 categories in Paralympics. One is physically challenged, specially abled. Their mind is very well, but physically they are not active. And second one is mentally impaired. And third one is visually challenged, right? So this is a great thing that this time Paralympics got so many medals and put India on that level. And only this morning, Ramesh Bhai also came back from Chennai from Asian Championships for athletics. Right. So when I asked him to come this evening, he said, yeah, I will be back on Sunday morning, so he will be here. And he is always loving to come here and be amongst all of us, especially the company of Didi. Always he asks, दीदी के पास जाना है, किसी का ब्लेसिंग दिलाना है. दीप्ति के लिए बहुत बार पूछे थे, लेकिन दीदी's health condition was not so good. But today, Didi made to come this Sunday evening talk. I am so happy that Didi is here, and she is also great example for that. How much ever the physical challenges are there, but she is so strong mentally, and she is a great support, pillar of strength for everyone. कितना भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, वो और भी जोक्स बोलते हैं, सभी को लाइट कर देते हैं. Even in the hospital also, she is admitted and she is giving so many jokes and everyone make laugh. Otherwise she says that मैं अगर डल हो जाती हूँ तो आप लोग रोना शुरू कर देंगे. इसीलिए I have to be happy, jolly, then only you also will be happy with me. The same kind of vibrations what brother said, she is a great example of that. And of course, she is director of Shanti Sarovar as well as jo sports wing, Brahma Kumaris ke. We have 21 wings serving the whole society. So sports wing one amongst us, and where Ramesh Bhai, Ravi Bhai, Girish Bhai, Vamshi Bhai, and so many other brothers and sisters giving the services to the society. And we have 2 professors also with us today, Professor Uma Rao and Dr. Anita, who went to Brahma Kumari's conference in Mount Abu also. I would like to acknowledge. Next time when you come, you share your experiences also. They had beautiful experiences. 13 physical education department professors been to Mount Abu for this conference, and total we have 28 members who been to Mount Abu. And one thing I want to mention here, when I asked Ramesh Bhai, he was so confident that 3rd is Deepti's event, and I'm sure she is going to win medal, and I will be busy, so I cannot join for this program on 5th. I said, what a confidence on the disciple. That is what we always see in Ramesh Bhai also. 2-3 बार मैंने पूछा. Every time I got the same response, Deepti's event is on 3rd, so I cannot come because she is going to win. So आप जो बताया प्रसाद, भगवान का प्रसाद, देखो कितना humble that he is saying that is God's prasad. Never he takes credit on his own that मेरा disciple या जो जिनको मैंने कोच किया उन्होंने इतना तक पहुंचा, कभी नहीं. तो this is what a great coach is. So I request Deepti Jivanji also onto the stage. Yeah. She will speak also for a few seconds. Yeah. I request Girish Bhai also to be on to the stage, please. Mic दे दो, उनको hand mic दे दो. So Deepthi will be sharing. కొంచెం చెప్తావమ్మా, రైట్? నువ్వు ఏ భాషలో చెప్పినా పర్వాలేదు, తెలుగు హిందీ ఏదైనా చెప్పు. సో सच ए ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन. हाँ, उनका बैकग्राउंड वो सब सुन के तो लगा ना, तो एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल. शी इज़ सच एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पॉसिबल. एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल. सो नाउ विल लिसन फ्रॉम दीप्ति.
నా పేరు జీవన్జీ దీప్తి. సో నేను రీసెంట్గా జరిగిన పారా ఒలింపిక్స్లో 400 మీటర్స్ T20 కేటగిరీలో బ్రాంజ్ మెడల్ సాధించాను. సో నేను ఇక్కడ అంటే నేను ఎంత కష్టపడ్డానో ఈరోజు మా కోచెస్, మా పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ కష్టపడ్డారు కాబట్టి నేను ఈరోజు ఒలింపిక్స్లో మెడల్స్ సాధించాను. సో ఇంకా నాలాంటి వాళ్ళకు కూడా నేను చాలా హెల్ప్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన శాంతి సరోవర్ ఫౌండేషన్ వారికి థ్యాంక్స్.
See her speciality. She want to help out many like that. So that is what main thing we have to take with us, to giving back to the society. I have taken a lot from the society, but what I am doing for the society betterment. So she is also having that thought, giving back to the society, and she want to help out people who are in that condition, so which is a great thing. Thank you very much, Deepthi, and all the best wishes, and so many laurels you will bring in the future also for India, and you are an icon. The whole nation proud of you, and especially the 2 states, Telugu states also very much proud of you, Deepthi. Thank you for being in Shanti Sarovar today. I request Girish Bhai also to speak and give greetings.
Yeah. I congratulate Deepthi as well as Ramesh sir, as well as the entire contingent, right from the identification of the talent to supporting them and bringing her to that level. And that can only happen when we support others. And as Ramesh sir was mentioning, that our attitude should be to help and to support. And God says everyone is endowed with some or the other goodnesses. And when I was contemplating about it, we feel we are very normal, and they are faced with so many challenges. Their own challenges, they keep it aside, and if they can do such wonderful things, how much can you and I contribute? I have 2 beautiful eyes, my mind is intact, my body is okay, and we misuse it by getting angry, by getting irritated, by thinking negative. So I think, as Ramesh sir was mentioning, there is no distraction. उनकी कोई इच्छा नहीं है, वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ही नहीं है वैसे. तो अगर हम कॉन्शियसली मेडिटेशन में इच्छाओं से, एक्सपेक्टेशन से, रिजल्ट के स्ट्रेस से, आउटकम से थोड़ा फ्री हो सके, then you see the potential coming up. And that's what meditation is all about. That you come to that state wherein you are independent of all these things, and you experience the joy and happiness, and then your performance in the activity. So again, I wish more success. You keep on, bringing the tricolor flying high in every event that you participate. All our good wishes to the entire Indian team. Thank you, and really we all feel proud of you. Om Shanti.
Thank you very much, Girish Bhai. So now we will listen from Kuldeep Didi. Her blessings are always with us, and all the time, whenever Ramesh sir was asking, maybe around 10 times he has asked for means different timings, because she was not in India. Many times she was on and off. That time Didi was not well, so that's why she did not meet. But today I am happy that Didi is here and meeting and felicitating. So again, she made it possible. Didi made it possible to be here with us. So Didi is so special. And many of you were asking, Didi नहीं दिख रहे, तबीयत कैसा है, तबीयत कैसा है, देख सकते हैं क्या, मिल सकते हैं क्या? तो आज हमारे बीच में आ गए, तो सभी को मिल ही रहे हैं और बहुत सारे ब्लेसिंग्स भी दे रहे हैं. दिल से ब्लेसिंग लगता है. दीदी जो ब्लेसिंग देते हैं ना, वो लग जाता है. तो ऐसे ब्लेसिंग्स सभी को, स्पेशली रमेश भाई और दीप्ति के लिए ब्लेसिंग्स भी देंगे दीदी.
ओम शांति. काफ़ी वर्षों से रमेश भाई हमारे इस विद्यालय में भिन्न भिन्न कार्यक्रम के लिए आते रहते हैं. उनकी विशेष स्पेशलिटी है अपने हर स्टूडेंट को जब भी वो खेलने के लिए जाते हैं तो उनका विश होता है कि दीदी इनको कुछ ब्लेसिंग दे, तो गोल्ड मेडल या ब्रॉन्ज मेडल या सिल्वर मेडल जीत करके आए. तो यहाँ वो मेडिटेशन सीखते भी हैं, क्योंकि उनको हम यही बताते हैं कि मेडिटेशन से आपकी कंसंट्रेशन और विल पावर बढ़ती है. नहीं तो वो स्ट्रेस में जब खेलते हैं, कभी कभी अच्छा खेलने वाले भी हार कर आते हैं. तो हमें खेलते समय सिर्फ यही फोकस नहीं करना है कि हमें जीतना है, सामने वाले को हराना है. हम सब एक हैं, इंडिया जीते या कोई भी जीते, किसी की तो जीत होनी चाहिए ना. हर कोई जीतने के लिए खेलता है. ये हार और जीत तो हमारे जीवन में एक खेल है. तो खेल को खेल समझकर खेलेंगे तो कभी भी स्ट्रेस मन में नहीं आता है. और जब उसमें हम इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं कि मुझे ये मेडल मिलना ही चाहिए, उसके लिए मैं ये सब कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, तो कई बार स्ट्रेस में आके बच्चे हार जाते हैं. तो हम यही बोलते हैं, अपना आत्मबल बढ़ाओ, जो मेडिटेशन से बढ़ता है. जितना आप परमात्मा से कनेक्ट रहेंगे उतना आपको फ़ायदा होगा. ऐसे सिंधु ने भी 3 दिन कोर्स किया और उसने सबको बताया, ब्रह्मा कुमारी के मेडिटेशन सीखने से मुझे इतनी मेरी उन्नति हुई, मैं मेडल जीत कर आई. तो इसलिए आज हम दीप्ति को भी बहुत बहुत बधाई देते हैं. इनकी हिम्मत है ना, भले वो उनके टैलेंट थे या नहीं, लेकिन विशेष हमारे रमेश भाई ने काफ़ी मेहनत करके उनके टैलेंट्स को पहचान करके उनकी पहचान बना दी सारे विश्व के लिए. मैं रमेश भाई का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ. खास उनसे मिलने के लिए मैं आई, वरना मैं सबसे मिलती भी नहीं हूँ. और मुझे देखना भी था कि जिस कुमारी को, दीप्ति को इन्होंने इतना बड़ा मेडल दिलाया है, तो अवश्य ही इनके अंदर कैसे टैलेंट हैं, हमें भी इनसे सीखना है. अगर ऐसी अवस्था में मेडल जीत सकते तो आप क्या नहीं जीत सकते हो. सबका दिल तो जीत सकते हो क्या नहीं? सबसे बड़ा मेडल है कि परिवार में सभी का दिल जीत लेना. उससे बड़ा मेडल कोई भी नहीं है. ओम शांति.
थैंक यू वेरी मच दीदी. कितना हिम्मत दिया आपने, कितना हौसला बढ़ाया. यस, तो फिर से दीदी के लिए बहुत 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 दिल से धन्यवाद दीदी का. तो अभी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ दीदी और गिरीश भाई, वंशी भाई, सब दोनों महारथियों को फेलिसिटेट करेंगे. 1 minute we will sit in silence and we will complete the program. Next Sunday evening talk would be on Pitru Paksha, Mahalaya Paksha, the significance and how to celebrate, how to be in that 15 days time. That would be the topic on next Sunday. So you all will be here. और नीचे सभी के लिए प्रसाद मिलेगा, आप सब वहाँ से लेंगे. ओम शांति. 1 मिनट परमात्मा की याद करेंगे. Professor Uma and Dr. Anita, please.